The unfolding situation on Capitol Hill is also fueling new concerns at the pump. We're talking higher prices. First, let's take a look at those current Gas Watch numbers. Prices are already edging up as crude oil costs increase. The national average for regular is $3.63 a gallon. That's up about 2 cents in the last week and 12 cents in the last month. Here in the Portland, Vancouver area, we're paying $3.72 a gallon. That's up 1 cent in the last week, and it's actually down about 5 cents in a month. But that could change. There is now speculation if Congress fails to reach a debt deal in the next week, fuel prices could go much higher. Our team coverage picks up with News Channel 8 business reporter Joe Smith here to explain this possible jump. Joe?
Laura, with petroleum prices for crude nearing $120 a barrel, it's a sign gas prices aren't going down anytime soon. And without an agreement on raising the debt ceiling, prices at the pump could lead to $5 a gallon.
Today we paid $56.06 for 14.3 gallons.
Really?
Yeah.
For Colin Hutchins of Portland, he could look back at this as a bargain.
Really?
If Congress doesn't reach a deal by the August 2nd deadline, he could be paying much more to fill up.
So it's just going to be a little bit more on my back, just like everybody else.
Increased worldwide demand, continued unrest in oil-producing countries, and the value of our dollar has many speculating gas could top as much as $5 a gallon.
Let me connect the dots between a default and the U.S. dollar.
Tim Phillips, CEO of investment firm Phillips & Company, says defaulting means we no longer are the reserve currency of the world.
We are now a higher credit risk for the rest of the world to take.
And the value of the dollar would drop.
It means we have to spend more dollars to buy foreign oil. And that foreign oil costs more, which drives up our gas prices,
creating an immediate impact.
It's passing through the increased cost of fuel to the customer.
Higher fuel costs will impact everyone who ships by truck. Conway is one of the top 3 freight haulers in the country.
It's a real drag for our customers, and therefore, the cost of everything is going to go up.
With repercussions beyond the pump.
I think I could lose a lot of money in my investments.
We're on Social Security. And I'm afraid they're talking about that too right now, aren't they?
And it could mean higher interest rates.
You'd be paying more for your outstanding credit card debt. You'd be paying more for to get a mortgage.
A critical decision by Congress with very little time to spare to find a solution.
We shouldn't be debating whether we're going to save our economy or protect our economy.
Today, what's called Brent crude, the biggest of the many major classifications of crude oil, closed at $118.28 a barrel.